Well, I was screwing up because there's actually directions. Thank you. Let's see, do not discard hardware instructions. I'm not really a direction kind of guy, to be honest, but. Time to work out. Get a good little workout. Triceps, cardio. Should be done in about an hour, hopefully. It's 10:08 a.m. Saturday, day after Valentine's Day. So it's the 15th of February, 2020. All right. A couple more sips. All right, see you in an hour. All right, guys, it's 9:17 in the morning. Just got out the gym, sweated a lot, which is good. Bought a Cliff Bar on the way out, and then I'm gonna go get my hair cut because it's super long. Probably get my, dang, my eyebrows are kind of gross looking. All right, guys, let's go. Here we go. So my appointment's at 9:50 and it's 9:28, so I think I'm gonna get some tostadas para mis frijoles so I can eat later. Gotta secure these bags, man. Can't let these tostadas break. There we go. All right, guys, so it's time to get a haircut. Hopefully I like it. Hopefully this guy gives me exactly what I'm looking for. For some reason, every time I go to get a haircut with him, he always gives me something a little bit different, which is cool, I guess, because I'm surprised. I'm like, whoa, I wasn't expecting this, but, you know, sometimes it annoys me. I'm ready. I'm at the haircut place 10 minutes early, which is, I guess it's good. I don't really like being early. Yeah, I'm probably just going to go in there. I have nothing to do besides eat these tostadas when I get home. All right, guys, I'm back. Just got my hair cut. I think it looks pretty good. I'm excited. All right, time to go home because I'm hungry. All right, so I want to get tostadas. And I got the ones that weren't so much. Look, see that? Where we put some beans on them things. Yeah. Haha. Now that is a good lunch right there. Voila. Yep. I think the frijoles were too warm. Finally here. I think I need my BRB. Alright, back. I'm excited. There it goes. Doesn't smell like a degree. Bang. Luckily, I got a whole frame with it too. Bang, look at that. Nice and shiny. Look at that. Nice and professional. It's all shiny. Man, how do you even open this thing? These things are supposed to move. I'm gonna need help. I don't even know how to open this thing. Well, I was screwing up because there's actually directions. Thank you. Let's see, do not discard hardware instructions. I'm not really a direction kind of guy, to be honest, but these directions suck. Open the back by bending the flexible tabs upwards. So you are supposed to bend them. But you gotta bend them out. Okay. Careful, because full glass came out. Okay. Finally got it. What do you think, bro? What do you think about my certificate? Yeah. Looks good? Well worth $40,000 and 50 cents. Cool.